Syntropy The Choice is the second novel of Syntropy the Trilogy. In the first novel, set in the last week of November 2026, a new monetary system is introduced. The old powers try to stop it and launch a media attack in the form of a graph that shows that we are about to re-enter an ice age. Life is possible only with water during hot interglacial periods. The Ice Age will bring humanity and our civilization to extinction. Masses start panicking. The only way out is provided by syntropy. Entropy dissipates energy and goes towards thermal death, while syntropy concentrates energy and increases temperatures. It is necessary to syntropize the planet before the imminent ice age. But why these cycles? Why 100,000 years of ice age and 12,000 years of warm interglacial period? Models on solar emissions show that in the Sun there are two layers that emit heat, one internal and one external. When the interference between the heat waves is constructive, the heat waves are added, leading to intense heat emissions. When the interference between heat waves is destructive, heat does not add up, and the emissions of the Sun are greatly reduced. For 100,000 years, the heat emission of the Sun is weak. For 12,000 years, it is strong. During the hot period, life flourishes on Earth. Human communities, settlements, nations, and civilizations are formed again. But at the end of the 12,000 warm years, the reduction of solar emissions is very fast. It is amplified by the albedo, the amount of light and heat that is reflected in space by the polar ice cap. In the peak of the Ice Age, the ice cap extends beyond the latitudes of Rome and New York, where the ice exceeds a height of 2,000 meters. Under 2,000 meters of ice, everything is crushed. Every trace of civilizations becomes sand. Sea levels of the oceans fall by more than 200 meters. A limited portion of humanity can survive in the equatorial strip, where oceans have retreated. But at the end of the Ice Age, the temperatures suddenly rise again. The ice caps begin to melt in huge interglacial lakes. The banks of these lakes suddenly break, flooding the oceans, sweeping away what remained of previous civilizations. This event is told in many traditions. Findings show traces of the pre-Ice Age civilizations. Humans with elongated skulls. The skeletons of the giants. All previous civilizations vanished due to the ice ages. Every interglacial era had civilizations even more advanced than ours, but every civilization was wiped out by the Ice Age. Evolution is not a slow process of trial and errors, but it is a fast process guided by attractors. Attractors receive our experience, select what it is beneficial for life and for the species, and redistribute this information to all the individuals. Attractors guarantee the unity of the species. And when the species are wiped away, attractors continue to exist, ready to restart the species as soon as favorable conditions start again. For this reason, even if the glaciations lead to extinction, living species reappear within a very short time thanks to the information stored in their tractors. For human beings, culture, scientific and technological discoveries are lost and must start again from scratch. Even if the species takes shape again, the human being has lost its achievements. The novel shows that for the first time in the history of our planet, it is possible to defeat the Ice Age thanks to the energy and heat concentration property of syntropy. The evolution of human beings can become simply incredible, but it is necessary a choice. Syntropy The Choice is available on Amazon both as a paperback book and as an e-book. It can be accessed through the website syntropia.it by going to the English Books section, which is here circled in yellow.